In 2012, Voyager 1, our farthest spacecraft, hit something no one expected, an invisible wall at the edge of the solar system. It wasn't solid, but it stopped scientists in their tracks and changed what we thought the edge of our cosmic home even looks like. Voyager 1 launched in 1977 on a mission meant to last just 5 years. Almost 50 years later, it's still flying. It has traveled so far that its radio signal, moving at the speed of light, now takes over 22 hours to reach us. For decades, it cruised through the sun's bubble, a vast zone of charged particles blowing outward, called the heliosphere. Think of the sun as blowing a giant balloon of wind around all the planets. Everything inside is our solar system's home turf. But every balloon has an edge, and out there, the sun's wind slams into the cold gas floating between the stars. That boundary is called the heliopause. And in 2012, Voyager 1 became the first human object ever to cross it. Just before crossing, its instruments detected something strange. The particles around it suddenly became 40 times denser. It was as if the probe had pushed through a wall of compressed plasma, where two cosmic winds pile up against each other. On the other side, everything changed. The warm solar wind vanished, replaced by the cold, dense gas of interstellar space. For the first time ever, a machine built by humans was tasting the material between the stars and sending it home. Then, in 2018, its twin, Voyager 2, crossed the same boundary and confirmed the wall was really there. But here's the mind-bending part. Crossing the heliopause does not mean Voyager has truly left the solar system. Far beyond it lies the Oort cloud, a giant shell of icy comets still held by the sun's gravity. Voyager won't even reach the inner edge of that cloud for another 300 years, and won't clear it for 30,000. Rofersless Teenthot. So the edge of our solar system isn't a single line. It's layer after layer, stretching almost halfway to the nearest star. Voyager 1 now drifts in interstellar space, its power fading, sending back whispers from over 15 billion miles away. Within a few years, its instruments will finally fall silent, and it will coast on alone, carrying its golden record forever. A tiny machine, still calling home from beyond the wall. If this amazed you, hit like and subscribe for more.